got your car. You driving my car.
I never expected to go to an estate sale and see two grown men start to fight over some vintage toys they had sitting in the floor. It started out with everybody getting along, talking and having a good time. But by the way, wait till the end of the video. This lady beat all of us. Wait till you see what she got.
All right, are y'all ready?
All right.
Get out of here. You ain't doing that shit. I don't you do that again, I'm you do that again. I play by the rules. You don't play by the rules. You get out of my face. You get my car. You got your car. You driving my box. You better get it. You don't give me that. Get the hell out of here, man. I'm I don't come on, man. Can you get my car, right? You smacked the thing out of the bar. I tried to get it. You both tried to get it. No, you did. I went here first. Give me that damn car. I don't care. You smacked the back out of my hand. You know you did. I tried to get it. I know you did. You smacked out of my hand. Take the car, man.
The only thing I know is that they were fighting over some car down here in this little box. I was able to get an exclusive interview with one of the bystanders who was here for her first time at an estate sale.
I'm super excited. It was really tough. It was fun. I enjoyed it. It was definitely a different ball game, but I had a blast.
But seriously, dude was actually bleeding. Bathroom's cleared out. No, did I go past the stairs? Oh, those are too cool.
Okay. Brian came in here, smacked out of my hand.
You want to help him with the in the kitchen, get the first aid on that? Here, I'll take your stuff and set outside.
Basement.
Hey, you're getting right down through there. Just
Thank
be careful,
you so
man.
much.
Watch your step.
Gotcha. Thank you.
Yep.
When I got to the basement, I noticed my buddy here in the red jacket. In the middle of that fight, he snuck in and got some good toys. But I knew there were more toys down here in the basement. That's too cool.
As you get sale tax.
If you I mean, if you tell them like that you need to make a pile.
Yeah, this is my pile. I just don't
you
want
do good with the
anybody
old Christmas.
I do.
I used to.
I just don't want anybody to take anything while I go up the stairs.
I feel you. Now you gotta buy it. More cards. Cards.
Yeah. Refinish them. And here, I'll come meet you upstairs. Like I said, I need a pile.
anything up here. Ah. No, it's not. It's not. Lots of McCoy. Anywhere I could leave a pile?
Yeah, I can take it for you.
I was like, yeah.
Yeah, I'll set it outside at the cashier's table.
All right, I appreciate it.
No problem.
So I was like, I'm gonna try to go down to the basement, and I was like, I ain't gonna make it. But that fight definitely did get me a little rattled today. I was over here looking at these tapes. They had $5 on the outside of that box, and I was like, man, these are some cool tapes, but I'm not paying $5 a piece. Yeah, some guy came up behind me. It was the whole box for $5. I just wasn't thinking straight. Say you want them for parts?
What's that? What is that?
It's a Johnny West, but he's all parted out, and I don't like putting it together. I was like,
$50.
no. I was like, complete, yeah, but
You want that? It's worth the money.
yeah. You're good, you're good. Now while I'm waiting to get ring up, I finally noticed for the first time, this lady starts bringing some furniture pieces out, and wait till you see what she got and how much she got it for. Good job.
I ran.
No.
Everybody else ran for toys.
All right, let's back up real quick, okay? She said she ran to these. I mean, if you tell them, like, that you... Yes, what you are looking at, those 3 tables, the 2 end tables and the coffee table, is over $2,000. Check out these comps and listings on those tables. Moral of the story, she was way better than all of us. Those were in the photos as well. They weren't highlighted. Crazy part is she got them for $30. That whole set, $30, and she can make well over $2,000.
Go around.
Are y'all ready? I was like, I can start bringing it over.
Yeah, I can come down there so you ain't got to bring it all up here.
All right. That CD 5 on that. Oh. 10 on that. You're good. You're good.
Gotcha. Right there.
20, and then this one's 5. I know I grabbed that. Oh well. Those 3 little Christmas things. 30 on that. The set of string lights. And then 25 on that.
All right, 140.
140. And what did he want to do these lights for?
Oh,
He said they're up for sale, and I keep looking at them, and I'm like,
I didn't even know they were up there.
it's 2 strings of lights.
Jan,
$10 for the strand.
John,
Yeah,
Mark,
yeah,
All
that'll
right,
work.
so put you at
150.
150.
All right,
and Don.
160. Yeah, no, try to get the lights down. People clear out.
Just keep an eye out. I'll check out.
It'll come down real easy.
Yeah.
Here you go, sir.
Thanks so much.
There you go.